Jennifer Dunn. This guy here, he's my nephew. I remember I gave him his first joint when I was 11. Sit in my face and tell me that you love me. I'll sit in your face and tell you I love you. I like to hear you oralize. When I'm between your thighs, you blow me away. Sit in my face, let my lips embrace thee. I'll sit in your face and tell you I love you. Life will be fine when we're both 69. So still my face is in all kinds of places. Blow me away. And here's the song called The Rocky Mountain Double. Here's the song, and the chorus just goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So you gotta sing the chorus with the lads. Come on. Oh, well, in the merry multitude, somehow I started to let the girls at you. Standing home, salute the father here. Yes, we have a mother, drunk a pint of beer. We even hear to thunder off, we was born, place where I was born. When I stepped that home, the Dublin, the Brandon, a fair road, clapping on the load, turned all the clowns on the rocky road to Dublin. Pop the hair and turn her in the rocky road, all the ways to Dublin, back the land. My wife is sitting so weary, stand at that. Then out next morning, bright and airy, took out the rock and you keep me hard from single. Does the pennies cure reason? But you can see the lassie smile, laughing all the while. Happy to his life with such a heart of reason. As the hunter's heart, I just weren't wired. I was on the kind of the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up the hair turned her down the rocky road. All the ways to Dublin, back the lonely bar. We had beneath the pieces in the pride they knew of. But Teddy Dan, the cockstraw, down among the quality bundle with the soul. Didn't eat a penalty sent to pass me by. Behind the bowl, I find a pump. Woman tired after the road, sent me cannot go. Took me much and told upon the rocky road to Dublin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Up the hair and turn down the rocky road. All the ways to Dublin, back the spirits never failing down the Buckeye. As the ship was saying, the captain up the road, set the room for Penny. I jumped aboard and came around, the Penny down among the pigs, playing some nasty hits, dance a funny tune, the water down me bubbling. When a collie had, wished myself was dead, better off instead on the rocky road to Dublin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Up the hair and turned down the rocky road, all the ways to Dublin, back the lonely bar. The boys of Liverpool. When we said they landed, called me son of fool. Coming on here, the blood began to boil. And for I was losing, all here in time. The big man, the reason around is up the line. So they let fly, and all with boys to fly. So I was a hobbling, and a hooray. Join with the affray, drink the cheer for play. To the rocky road to Dublin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
From the hair and turn and the rocky road.
And
all the way to Dublin, back the Dundee man. From the hair and turn the road. Showing up.